Class, I quickly wanted to show you how to do this correlation matrix that we talked about in class. It's really simple. We have to make sure we have this data analysis add-in. If you don't know how to do that, go watch the descriptive statistics video. Anyway, then we find this guy correlation in here. Got him. And then we just select the data we want. So in the input range, we select all of our data. So in this case, here's our M&M data. How many M&Ms? How much does it weigh? And then all the colors. We will put all of that in there. Control Shift down gets all that selected. You can hit enter and it will close it. In columns, I do have the labels in the first row, so make sure that's checked. And then I want this in a new worksheet, or like we said, we can stick it in here, whatever. Click on OK. So that's it. Let's click on this and then say wrap text under home, wrap text. Let's see a little bit better. There we go. So one thing I'd like to point out, I didn't talk about this in class. These numbers 1 are correlated with themselves, right? So how many, that's the first one, how many M&Ms were in your bag is correlated with how many M&Ms were in your bag perfectly with 1. So that's pretty useless. So actually we could delete these, and I'll show you why in a second. This is a little trick. If you highlight all the data, and then go in conditional formatting, and then say, maybe I want to highlight the top 10% or top 10 items, right? So that's pretty cool. So let me show you again. So if you highlight all this data, you can do this anywhere, conditional formatting, and then say highlight the top 10%, just click on that. And then say format cells that rank within the top 10%. Let's maybe we can adjust that and see as we get more. Maybe the first top 25%. How about that? Click on OK. Then we can easily see which ones sort of have a higher correlation. So these ones are how many M&Ms were in your bag. They're correlated with all kinds of things, with all these other colors. What I'm interested in knowing is what colors are correlated with what. So blue seems to be correlated with green, 0.71, and yellow also seems to be correlated with green. So interesting. All right, so that's all there is to it, not much to it. All right, hopefully that helped.